In today's episode, I traveled for over 36 hours, almost missed every method of transportation, a horse tried to kick me, people were jumping out of buses. It was probably one of the craziest adventures I've been on, all to climb to the top of this volcano. Life. This is the plan. Since we're currently in Malaysia and the volcano's in Indonesia, we're gonna take an early morning flight to Surabaya, which technically should give us enough time to go to the bus station and catch a bus to Malang, which is step 2. There's a tour guide in Malang that's gonna pick us up at 1 o'clock in the morning and drive overnight to the base. Then, we climb the volcano. Then we're gonna come all the way back to Surabaya to get scammed, sleep, and fly to Bali the next morning. Are you ready? Because I was not ready.
Hi, grab from Mario.
We came here with 5 minutes to spare. Honestly, I don't know who is more excited, us or them.
Baby.
No.
What? Subscribe.
Here we got dropped off.
I'm loving it.
I wonder how this tastes. I'm so excited to try it.
There's so much fried chicken.
It's a KFC.
Oops. 100,000.
Oh. This has coffee jelly caramel. We just get the liquid for coffee.
Yeah. We just finished eating, and we have another 2.5 hours until we start hiking the volcano. Mario's KO'd. And I'm soon to join him. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. The tour guide's outside.
Yeah, we got dropped off. It is 3:15. There's an area where we can get coffee.
But the stars look amazing, so it's steep. What we see versus what my camera sees.
It just erupted.
We've been up here for almost 4 hours. We were supposed to return to the tour bus at 6:30. It's 7 a.m. So, time to go back.
There's so many Jeeps and they all look the exact same.
It looks like apocalyptic.
Yeah, it's actually the black sand and the fog.
There are horses we can take.
But we'll probably take them on the way back. So much farther than I thought.
That's where I'm going. This is where I am.
Bruh.
It's my first time ever riding a horse.
I've never ridden one before. First time. He's trying to kick me. Yo, he looks he's but he's no. Bro, he's trying to kick me. Nah, I walk. It's okay. I walk. No, it's okay.
No,
Bro, he's trying to kick me.
What?
I'm kind of nervous.
Okay. This actually feels surreal. It smells like, I guess like sulfur, but definitely does not smell pleasant. I'll tell you guys that.
So much. I don't know. I'm just like, I can't believe this.
We're also extremely late.
I don't know.
Honestly, worth it. I mean, look at this.
Unbelievable.
Worth the trip.
Unbelievable.
Say bye to this volcano. I'm gonna miss you. Bye, volcano. Please. Yes. Happy horse, not sad horse. Yeah. Hey. At this point, we've been traveling for over 36 hours. On our way back to Surabaya, we booked a hotel. This is what it looks like. It's not too shabby, right? This is what we showed up to. Forget the fact that this whole place is gross. Look at that spider, bro. Look at it. That thing's bigger than my dog. No thank you. Thank God our Grab driver stuck around. He told us he thought we were gonna get jumped. So God bless his soul for sticking around. He took us to a nice hotel where we... After all of that mayhem, it was finally time to go relax in Bali.
Subscribe.